TCST 12RS2 SSF double spindle vertical reciprocating nut tapping machine. With 2 spindles, suitable for tapping hexagon nuts, flange nuts, weld nuts, square nuts, rivet nuts, and so on. Spindle travels 0 to 65 mm. Spindle servo motor 2.5 kilowatts with speed 3000 rpm, and 2.9 kilowatts with speed 1500 rpm. Feed servo motor 0.4 kilowatt with speed 3000 rpm, and 0.75 kilowatt with speed 3000 rpm. Turntable fixture. Tap range from M5 to M12, productivity per spindle is 20 to 60 PCS per minute. Advantages: can automatically choose and separate defective parts, with screw tap wearing out or breaking warning with high accuracy. Dimensions: 2,400 mm length, 1,600 mm width, and 1,950 mm height. Weight: 1,600 kilograms.